Good morning, beautiful peeps.
I have to hold everything.
Wow. Ayan, today guys, diba kahapon kasi ako nagpagupit. Hindi ko siya dadala. So now, dali natin siya, pagupitan natin kasi alam nyo ba, sobrang kapal din ng hair ni Arya. And come here. And sobrang ano,
Can you hold?
ang ate talaga ng anak kong to eh.
Close your eyes, get some rest. I'm by your side.
One eternity later.
Oh, ayun, nag-get lang pa ng hair. Simple lang, pareho lang kami ng hair. Turn around. Wow. Hindi pa kahit paano. Oh, let's go na.